The adaptability and flexibility of parts processing are strong, and it can process parts with particularly complex contour shapes or difficult to control dimensions, such as mold parts, shell parts, etc., capable of processing parts that cannot be processed by ordinary machine tools or are difficult to process, such as complex curved parts described by mathematical models and three-dimensional curved parts. Parts that require multiple processing steps after being clamped and positioned once can be processed. High processing accuracy and stable and reliable processing quality. The high degree of production automation can reduce the labor intensity of operators, beneficial for the automation of production management. High production efficiency.